Hello guys, well I'm here on my M1 MacBook and I'm just going to show you how to update Shri Jyoti Star on while using Crossover. It's incredibly easy, but there's really only one good way to do it. So I thought I'd show you. Let me share my screen. So here's Crossover, and I created a couple of bottles, and this is the one with the Shri Jyoti Star 9 Pro. So you first select the bottle that you're using. If you're installing for the first time, the only difference between this and updating is that you have to create a bottle first. And you do that by going to the bottle menu at the top and doing new bottle. And then you can select the, I suggest, why not Windows 10 64-bit. That would be great. So that's what I've got here. So in order to update this version I installed, and by the way, if you just select all the defaults when you're doing the install, you'll end up with two icons. It's just a feature that Crossover puts them both in the same place. So you don't need to, you can just delete one of them. Okay, so now to install for the first time or update, you click Run command. And then all you have to do is click Browse. Now, when you do that, you're going to click Downloads. And now you have to have downloaded the installation file off the website. So let's just go to the website. This is vedicsoftware.com. And we just have to click Login. And then if you've only got version 9, you won't see this page. If you have several versions, you'll see this page. And then it'll take you to the download or the sort of introductory page. You just install or update, click Download Install File. Google can't scan large files, so there's no problem here. Download anyway. Select Save File. We don't want to do anything else with it. And this will just go into the Mac's download folder. So we just wait for it to download. We can go and look at the download folder. Okay, so it seems to have downloaded all right here. So we go back to Crossover. And we see the file, install file there. So you just select it and click Open. And then you click Run. So you just browse, select, run, and then it starts the installation. So we just go through the installation process. Now you can unselect one of these, the Crossover. Carefully read the license agreement and accept it. Next. It's better to just take the defaults. And then we can even launch it here. This window of Crossover doesn't close. You just have to close it when you're done. You see, here's Shri Jyoti Star starting up. So it's all working very perfectly. It's really that simple. Just a few clicks. So when it comes up, it'll come up with the database you were last using and the layouts you were last using. Everything, the options are all there. So as long as you do the update in the same bottle as the bottle you created for Shri Jyoti Star in the first place, then this update is perfect. There's no problem with finding the old data or anything. And then you get all that was the last page I looked at. That's how simple it is. And this page has a lot of information. So this is the easy way of updating Shri Jyoti Star. And if there is an update available, I strongly recommend it. Thank you. Enjoy.